And then the next three bullet point here, you also have to know you need this formula while you constructing your line, right? Your equation of a line. And then there's a vertical line and horizontal line. These are easy, but it's need a little bit required with critical thinking. If you're clever, you can just give me the answer straight away without showing any work, and that's fine. Let me show you what I meant by that. So for the first one, I need to find the equation of a line. I need three things, right? A point, a slope, and you need to memorize this formula to plug it in. Right, now for the second one, find an equation of a line that passes through the point -2, -5, and parallel to the line x equal 2. What does x equal 2 look like on the graph? Yeah, it's just a vertical line, right? You go to Decimals, my favorite website. You know, if you're clever enough, you can cheat your way in homework with this one without showing any work. With decimal, I don't recommend because you still have to show work on the exam. But if you're clever to do that, then you're clever to show the work, right? Y equal, I'm sorry, was it x equal? X equal 2, thank you. X equal 2, look at that. It's just a vertical line. What's the slope of vertical line? Undefined, right? Undefined. Think ski, right? I wouldn't dare you ski on this slope, right? So impossible. Of course, some people is not. Nothing is impossible for them, but for us, it's impossible, right? So we say undefined. Now the equation I'm looking for is parallel to this line. So what does it tell you? It has to be what? It has to be x equals something, right? X equals something. It has to go through the point -2, -5. So what can you tell me about the equation? I give you two type of informations. It has to be, yeah. Yeah, x equal -2, right? So x must be -2. So there's no other way. It has to be that one, right? Parallel, then go through this point. Right? Back to, so on the exam, you're clever enough. All you to do is to tell me x equal -2. Let me ask you another question. If I want you to find the equation of a line passes through the same point, but parallel to y equal 2, hypothetically say y equal 2, then what is my equation? Can you tell me right away? Close, but not close. Y equal, is a y equal, but y equal what number? 2. -5, right? Maybe that's the x value. Or you can graph on your graphing calculator. All right, this one you have to use all three things. So find the equation of a line that passes through the point -3, 6. So I have a point, which is -3, 6. Do I have a slope? I need a slope. The graph of the equation I'm looking for is perpendicular to the line y equal to x minus 5. So, right. So what's my slope? The one I'm looking for, which is then this imply what? The slope I'm looking for, it has to be what? Opposite, right? So yeah, and flip. And make sure you remember your equation. This is my x1, this is my y1. All you do is plug it in. Let me do it like this. Plus 3 y minus 6 equal negative 1/2 x minus 3/2. Add 6 both sides. Here is the same thing as 6 over 1, right? So y equal what? You add 6 both sides. You can do this in a calculator if you don't want to show me this. So I have negative 3/2 plus 6 over 1. So what? Times 2 over 2, right? Negative 3 plus 12 is positive 9. So 9/2. So negative 1/2 x plus 9/2. Do you have any questions? So in order to master this, you gotta do a lot of homework, right? You're gonna know what I'm asking you. When looking for equation of a line, again, you need 3 things: slope, point, and that equation, right? Sometimes you don't need it, especially when the case for vertical line or horizontal line. I just okay. So for the last slide, the last 2 slides is related to the general form, which is this one: ax plus by plus c equals 0. So if I give you 3x minus 2y plus 6, I want you to graph that. How many points do we need, or at least, to graph an equation on a line? 2, right? So the easiest way is to do a t-table. I'm gonna pick 0 for x. You can pick anything you want, okay? But 0, 0 is your friend. So pick 0 for x, plug into the equation. That means this one is gone. Move the 6 to the right, so negative 6 divided by negative 2 is positive 3. So y is positive 3. All right, I need another one, so I'm going to pick 0 for y. Pick 0 for y, then this one is gone. Move 6 to the right, negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. Zero, 3. And then negative 2, 0. I do want you to plot the point for me, especially in the exam. Do you have any questions? Easy enough. All right. Last slide. Yay. Does the point 5/3 and negative half lies on the line? How do I know? How do I check? How do I check if it lies on the lines or not? Lies. How do I check? Yeah, look it in. If it's 0 to if it equal to 0, then it's on the line. If it's not, then it's not, right? Let's see, lie. Okay, all right. So my original is 3x minus 2y plus 6 equals 0. I'm gonna plug it in. Minus 2, y is negative half, plus 6. Okay, that's cancel. One here and one here. Same thing with this one and this one, right? So just the 2 and the 2, not the sign. 1, 1. So what do I have? I have 5 plus 1 plus 6, which is 12, which is not equal to 0. So nope. We officially finished 2.1 and 2.2. I'm hoping today we finish 2.3. I'm gonna